Akshata, Parth, Riddhi, Mohammed Shoaib, Anant Goel is there, then Chanchal, Venkat Lakshmi, Rishikesh, Harshita, Ritu. Great. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. So, in today's class, we are going to start our topic measures of central tendency. Yes, some more people are live now. Mansi, Mahi, Kushi, Aditi, Pallavi, Parth, Tanvi, Vidisha, Saloni, Anjali, Anand, Navya, great. So everyone is from different part of the country. That's great. And we all are studying together. It's a very good feeling, right? Okay. So let us begin with the topic measures of central tendency. So basically, what is the meaning of the term central tendency? Central tendency basically means average. This topic is mainly about average, so that how can we calculate the averages, right? So average is basically used in our practical life whenever whenever we are given few things and we have to find a single value, that single value represents the average. Let us take one basic example. You have scored marks in your 5 subjects in class 12, like 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So these are the marks of 5 subjects in class 12. Now you have to find your average marks. You have to find your percentage. Then what is the process? You will add all of them. First step is you will add all of them. What is the total? The total is 400. Now, in order to find out the average, what we have to do? Sum of all observations, sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So what is the total? It is 400. How many subjects are there? 5. Then what will be the average? Average will be 80 marks. Average will be 80 marks. So in this way, we can calculate average. But average is not of a single kind. Average are of various types. तो इस चैप्टर में हम कौन कौन से एवरेज पढ़ने वाले हैं? Let us discuss that also. So the first one is arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. So these three are the means: AM, GM, and HM. Besides that, we are having median and mode. So these are the various kinds of averages which we have to study in this chapter. So let us begin with the basic point first. Like what should be the criteria of an ideal average? Average कैसा होना चाहिए? उसकी basic properties क्या होनी चाहिए? So it should be unambiguously defined. That means it should be clear. There should be no confusion. कौन सा average कब काम आएगा और हम उसको कैसे calculate करेंगे? That should always be clear. It is easy to comprehend. उसको आसान तरीके से हम calculate कर सके. It is simple to compute. Average निकालना आसान हो. If the formula is very tough, if the process is very lengthy, then no one will try that average. So average should always be easy to calculate. It should be based on all observation. जब भी हम average निकालेंगे तो हम सारे values, सारे observations को include करना है. किसी को भी हम skip ना करें. Because जितने ज़्यादा observation हम include करेंगे, हमारा result उतना ज़्यादा better आता है. Accuracy उतनी ही ज़्यादा होती है. Right? It should have certain desirable mathematical properties. That is the basic mathematical property है. जैसे हमने बोला कि average कितना आया इस above case में? 80. So this 80 is basically a single value which represents the whole group. 80 एक single value है जो पूरे group को represent करता है. So that is why 80 is an average. और 80 कहीं ना कहीं इस series के middle में lie करता है. So it should be suitable. एक ऐसा figure होना चाहिए जो हमें लगता है yes this is the average and उसमें कुछ basic properties apply होनी चाहिए. It should be least affected by the presence of extreme observation. Now, इन सबको हम particular पर्टिकुलर एवरेज वाइज देखेंगे कि कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी कहां कहां अप्लाई हो रही है. ऑलराइट, सो लेट अस बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट टॉपिक of the chapter, which is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. In short, we can write AM. AM. Now, the basic formula for arithmetic mean is x bar equal to sigma x divided by n. Now, what is x bar? x bar का मतलब है अर्थमेटिक मीन. x bar ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, जितने भी ऑब्जर्वेशंस है हमें उससे डिवाइड करना है. राइट, सो x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. Now, this formula is a basic formula and let us apply in a basic question. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 20. Now, we have to calculate average. So, as per this formula, what is the first requirement? Our first requirement is to add all the observations. So, what is the total here? It is 40. So, x bar is equal to 40 divided by number of observations are 5. So, it becomes 8. So, x bar is equal to 8. This is the first formula. Now, there is one more method to calculate arithmetic mean, and name of that method is shortcut method. Name of the method is shortcut method. X bar is equal to A plus sigma dx upon n. A plus sigma d divided by n. Now, what is A here? A means assume mean. A का मतलब होता है assume mean. You have to assume any value. D is deviation. किसका deviation है? X and A. Deviation of assume mean taken from X. Taken from X. Now, we will calculate arithmetic mean using this formula also. So, first of all, we have to assume A. So, let us assume 6. So, we have taken A as 6. Now, what we have to calculate? D. And D will be calculated as X minus A. Deviation of X from assume mean. So, 2 minus 6 will give you minus 4, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 6 minus 6 will give 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, and 20 minus 6 is equal to 14. This is equal to 14. Now we have to add, find out the total. What is the total? Total is 10. Now applying the formula, x bar is equal to, we have assumed 6 plus sigma d, sum of the deviation 10 divided by number of observations. Now again you can calculate and see what is the result. So x bar is equal to 8 again. So in short, we can say that whatever method we use, result is same. अगर आपने डायरेक्ट मेथड यूज किया, that is x bar equal to sigma x upon n, it will give you result 8. And if you have taken shortcut method, then also result will be 8. So there is no difference in arithmetic mean, whichever formula you can use. Now, one thing you have to answer me, आपको ये बताना है, अगर हमने किसी दूसरे नंबर को अज्यूम किया तो क्या रिजल्ट सेम आ जाएगा? क्या एवरेज सेम रहेगा या चेंज हो जाएगा? दिस यू हैव टू आंसर. लेट्स से if we are assuming 2, then will the result remain same or it will change? So this time you have to take deviation from 2. 2 से आपको deviation लेना पड़ेगा. So 2 minus 2 will give you 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 2 gives 4. 8 minus 2 gives 6. And 20 minus 2 gives 18. So what will be the total? Total will be 30. Now you can calculate x bar is equal to 2 plus 30 divided by 5. So again, the result is same. The result will be same. So in short, we can say that whatever you have assumed, the result of arithmetic mean will be same. Now, one more situation. If you have taken assume mean any number which is not lying in the series, एक ऐसा नंबर आपने assume किया जो इस सीरीज में नहीं है, क्या तब भी आंसर सेम रहेगा? Let's say 10. 10 is not in this series. तो क्या आंसर सेम रहेगा या नहीं? What you say? So Namanpreet says it will change. Nishi says different, and some says that it will be same. Okay, so there are mixed answers. Some are saying yes, some are no. So let us check. Deviation x minus 10. So 2 minus 10 will give you minus 8. 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Then 6 minus 10 is negative 4. 8 minus 10 is negative 2. And 20 minus 10 is 10. So what is the total this time? Total is minus 10. Total is minus 10. Now what you have to do? X bar is equal to 10 is the assumed mean plus sum is negative 10 divided by 5. Now check what is the result. Result is same. There will be no change. X bar is equal to 8 again. So whatever you assume, result will be same. Result आपका same रहेगा. All right, everybody. Anushka says in case of 10, it's different, but no, it's not different. It will remain same. तो एक बात आपको गांठ बांध लेनी है, चाहे आप कुछ भी अज्यूम करें, रिजल्ट विल रिमेन सेम. अरिथमेटिक मीन पे कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. ऑलराइट. नाउ व्हाट इफ यू अज्यूम 100? अगर आपने 100 अज्यूम किया तो क्या तब भी रिजल्ट सेम रहेगा? Okay, let me know. If A is equal to 100, what will be the arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean क्या होना चाहिए? So Shreya says it's clear. Anushka says understood. Akshita says crystal clear. Nishi says how result is same every time. Is there any logic? Yes, of course. If you are assuming 100, then also deviations will come into negative and plus and minus will get cancelled. Overall result will remain same. So now most of you have given the answer. It will remain same. So if you are taking deviation from 100, so 2 minus 100 will give you minus 98, then minus 94, minus 96, then minus 94, minus 92, and then minus 80. So it will give you negative 460. Now x bar is equal to 100, then minus 460 divided by 5. So again, the result is same. So whatever you assume, there will be no change in arithmetic mean. Okay. So I think now everyone is understood, everyone is clear. Okay. So this was the basic calculation of arithmetic mean with using direct method as well as using shortcut method. So both method we have done. Now, there can be some question based on the missing figures. Let's take one example. Some figures are given 100, 80, 20, 50, and there is one value which is y. It is missing. Question says if x bar is equal to 90, find out the value of y. you have to calculate the value of y. So in order to calculate, let us find the total first. It is 250 plus y. Now apply the formula of arithmetic mean. X bar is 90 equal to 250 plus y upon 5. So it will give 450 minus 250 equals to y. So therefore, value of y is 200. So in this way, you can easily calculate the value of y. Okay. So Prem has given the answer. Om Gupta has also given the answer. Yes. Harshita is saying हम खुद से कोई भी नंबर अज्यूम कर सकते हैं. Yes, you can assume any number. कुछ भी आप अज्यूम कर सकते हैं. बट अगर आपको कैलकुलेशन आसान रखनी है, इफ यू वांट टू मेक कैलकुलेशन इजी, इट इज बेटर टू टेक सम मिडल नंबर. अगर आप कोई मिडल नंबर लोगे तो आपकी डेविएशंस स्मॉल आएंगे, एंड डेविएशंस अगर स्मॉल होंगे तो आपका रिजल्ट जल्दी आ पाएगा या कैलकुलेशन आपकी इजी हो जाएगी. अदरवाइज रिजल्ट विल रिमेन सेम, देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन द रिजल्ट. ओके, yes, so everyone has given the answer. That's great. Now, now we have covered in the previous session that there are three types of series. One is individual, then second one is discrete, and third one is continuous. So there are three types of series: individual, discrete, and continuous. In case of individual, there is only variable and no frequency is involved. Whereas in discrete and continuous, there is variable as well as frequency. So the formula will be different in case of individual series and discrete and continuous series. Formula will vary. So in the above questions, only x was given. और जब भी सिर्फ x given है, कोई frequency नहीं है, you have to use the above formula. तो जो ऊपर हमने फॉर्मूला काम में लिया है, that is for individual series. But now, if you have to calculate average for discrete and continuous series, then formula will change. So let us write the formula for arithmetic mean in discrete and continuous series. Arithmetic mean in discrete and continuous series. The first formula is the direct method. Direct method. X bar is equal to, it is sigma fx divided by sigma f. And the second formula will be shortcut method. Shortcut method. X bar is equal to a plus sigma f multiplied by d divided by sigma f. This is the shortcut method. Now, how to apply these two formulas? So let us understand with the help of some questions. So let's take the figure. X is given 10, 20, 30, and then 40. Frequency is given 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, as per direct method, what is the requirement? F into x. F should be multiplied with x. So let us find fx. 10 multiplied by 4 gives 40. 20 into 3 is 60. 30 into 2 is 60 again, and 40 into 1 is 40. So what will be the total? Total is 200. Total is 200. Now, apply this in the formula. 200 divided by sigma f. F का total. It is 10. Therefore, average is 20. So x bar is equal to 20. So in this way, we can calculate arithmetic mean in discrete series. All right. Now let us solve with shortcut method also. Now in case of shortcut method, we have to assume something. कुछ assume करना पड़ेगा. So we can assume any value. Better to assume from middle, either 20 or 30. So we are assuming 30 for now. You can assume anything, no problem. Now first we have to calculate the deviation, that is x minus a. So it is 10 minus 30 will give you negative 20. 20 minus 30 will give you negative 10. 30 minus 30 is 0. And 40 minus 30 is 10. So this is D, deviation. Now what we have to do? Find F multiplied by D. Product of F and D. So 4 multiplied by minus 20. It gives minus 80. So we are multiplying these two. Then minus 30, 0 and 10. What is the total? Negative 100. Now x bar is equal to A. Assume mean is 30 plus FD. FD is negative 100 divided by sigma F. Total of frequency is 10. So what we are getting? 30 minus 10, that is 20. So result is 20. So again, method kuch bhi ho, answer will remain same. Right? Now, Jignesh is saying, how can we do in exam? Because in exam, there are MCQs, right? Now see, in exams, you don't have to see which method is given in the question, because method kuch bhi given ho, answer will remain same. But you have to use your calculator for fast calculation. अब आपको fast calculation करना है, तो फिर कैसे करेंगे? So let us understand the same question on calculator, so that you can speed up your calculations. X is 10, 20, 30 and 40. Frequency is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, पहले हमने क्या किया था? fx calculate किया. Now you have to calculate fx on your calculator itself. Okay. Now how do we calculate? Take your calculator and type 10 multiplied by 4 equal to m plus. So what we are doing? 10 को अपने 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, जो भी रिजल्ट आया उसको हमने मेमोरी में डाल दिया. m plus means memory. So you are adding this into the calculator's memory. कैलकुलेटर की मेमोरी में आपने ऐड कर दिया. Then 20 multiplied by 3 is equal to again m plus. 30 multiplied by 2 is equal to again m plus, and 40 multiplied by 1 is equal to m plus. So जो भी रिजल्ट आया है वो आपने मेमोरी में डाल दिया है. Now what is the next step? इन सब का जो टोटल होगा उसको डिवाइड करना है. तो टोटल कैसे लेके आएंगे आप? मेमोरी रिकॉल, MRC. तो कैलकुलेटर पे एक बटन होगा MRC. तो क्लिक ऑन दैट बटन MRC, देन डिवाइड. किससे डिवाइड करना है? फ्रीक्वेंसी का टोटल कितना है? 10. तो MRC डिवाइडेड बाय 10. Press equal to, answer will be on your screen. So if you type all these buttons on your calculator, you will get the result on the screen. Okay. So you can check your answer on calculator. You will easily get the result. Understood? Now I am giving you one question. You have to answer on the calculator. Okay. X 15, 25, 35, 40. Frequency is 10, 20, 40, 30. Now you have to answer what is the arithmetic mean. So I'm waiting for your answer. Just apply the calculator tricks and answer will be on your screen. So 15 multiply by 10, then insert memory button, then 25 multiply by 20, m plus 35 multiply by 40, m plus, and 40 multiply by 30, again m plus. Press MRC divided by the total, which is 100, and you will get your answer. So Ashish Kumar has given the answer 32.5, and it's the correct answer. It's the perfect answer, 32.5. Vaidehi has given 31.15, but there is a mistake in this. Naveen has given wrong answer. Shadab is getting 3250. Shadab, we have not divided by 100. So divided by 100. Ruhani is correct. Rutha is correct. Parvati, Shreya is correct. Om has given the wrong answer. Now Ruhani has given 32.5. Okay. Yes. Now everyone is correct. That's great. Perfect. So now you have understood how to calculate all this on your calculator. Okay. Now let us take continuous series. So in case of continuous series, what we have to do, we have to find out mid value. So let's write a question. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Continuous series, the formula is same as discrete. तो जो formula discrete में था, same formula continuous में भी apply होगा. But there is one challenge. If you are applying direct method, then also x is required, sigma fx divided by sigma f. So we don't have x in this case, in this question. So first step is to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x. Now, what is the x basically? X means mid value. X basically means mid value. So 0 to 10, what is the mid value? So 0 plus 10 divided by 2. It becomes 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 upon 2, 25. 35. And at last, 45. All these are the mid value. The first step is to calculate the mid value, which is x. Now, the next step is solve this on your calculator as we have discussed now. So 5 multiplied by 10, put into memory. 15 multiplied by 12, memory. 25 multiplied by 28, m plus. 35 multiplied by 17, m plus. 45 multiplied by 23, m plus. Now, MRC divided by with the total. So what is the total here? The total is 90. So divided by 90, press equal to, you will get your answer. Okay, so let's calculate. So what is the result? He has given Shreya, Priyadashni, Pratyush, then Saloni is incorrect, Rohani has given incorrect, Varun is correct, Namanpreet is getting incorrect, Parvati is correct, Apurva is correct, Vidisha, Darvish, Ritu, Great. So everyone is correct. Most of you are correct, not everyone. So correct answer is 28.44. So how we have calculated the mid value? As we have discussed in the previous class, mid value is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 10 upon 2 gives 5. Then 10 plus 20 upon 2 gives 15, and so on. So in this way, you can calculate mid value. Okay. So you have to be very careful while using this calculator tricks. If there is already something in your calculator memory, then you will get the wrong answer. So always check if there is already some value in the memory, remove that memory, erase that memory first. मेमोरी को इरेज कैसे करना है? प्रेस MRC बटन 2 times. ओल्ड मेमोरी विल बी इरेज्ड. MRC बटन को आपको 2 times प्रेस करना है. ओल्ड मेमोरी विल गेट इरेज्ड. उसके बाद ही आपको ये सारी कैलकुलेशन करनी है. ओके, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट द रॉन्ग आंसर. Okay. So Nishi says crystal clear explanation. That's great. Vedi says it's fun to learn with your method. That's great. Okay. So now we have understood this concept. So here there is example number 14.1.2. This is a question on based on continuous series. You can see the class interval is there and number of students are there. So what is the first step? You have to find out the mid value. So as you can check, this is the mid value, 44 plus 48 divided by 2. So you are getting 46. Then 49 plus 53 upon 2, 51. Then 56, 61, and so on. So first step is to find out the mid value. So you are getting mid value. After this mid value, the steps are same. F multiply by X on your calculator and get your answer. Okay. So in this way, you can easily calculate your result. So Dharmatma Yadav is saying ICICI request है कि December 23 एग्जाम में सभी 2 अटेम्प्ट वाले पास कर दीजिए बिकॉज जून 24 में सिलेबस चेंज हो रहा है. सी यू हैव टू पास by yourself. There is no grace options available in any of the examination. So you have to secure good marks and nothing else can be done. All right. So and it's not much tough. If you see, if you are consistent in your studies, अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट हैं अपनी स्टडीज को लेकर के रेगुलर जैसा क्लास में होता है वैसा आप सेल्फ पढ़ते हैं, अपने डाउट्स क्लियर करते हैं, देन देयर इज नो इशू. यू कैन इजीली क्रैक योर एग्जाम्स. Okay. So now 14.1.3, it is again the similar question. So what we have done above, first step is to calculate the mid value, apply the formula and get your results. Okay. Now, in case of missing figures, what you have to do? So let us try this fourth one. Let's try the fourth one. Class interval is given 60 to 62, 63 to 65, 66 to 68, 69 to 71, and 72 to 74. So in order to calculate the mid value, what we have to do? 60 plus 62 upon 2. It will give you 61. Then 63 plus 65 upon 2 gives you 64. Then next one is 67, 70, and 73. So in this way, you have to calculate mid value. Then frequency is there 5, 18, dash dash, and 8. These two figures are missing. Now, the question says the mean height of a group of students is 67.45 inches. So mean is already given in the question. Find the missing frequencies for the following incomplete distribution of height of 100 students. So in total, there are 100 students. So total of frequency is available. The total is 100. Frequency का total आपका 100 है. Now, how you can solve? So one thing can be done if you can assume one value is A. जो दो फिगर्स मिसिंग है, एक को आपने अज्यूम कर लिया A. What will be the other figure? तो 100 में से अगर आप सबको माइनस कर दो तो लास्ट फिगर आ जाएगा आपके पास. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट 100 minus 5 minus 18 minus 8 minus 8. So let us check what we are getting. So 100 minus 5 minus 18 minus 8. So 69 minus 8. So here we can write 69 minus 8. This is the first step. First step is calculate the mid value. The mid value we have done. After this mid value, we have assumed one figure as A, other will become 69 minus 8. Okay. Then apply the formula now. Here you have to apply the formula. So fx 61 multiplied by 5 will give you 305. Put this in the memory. 61 multiplied by 5 memory. Then 64 multiplied by 18. It gives you 1152. Then 67a. Then 70 multiplied by 69 is 4830 minus 70a. Then 73 multiplied by 8 is 584. Now you can see your total. How much is the total? Check. 305 plus 1152 plus 584 and then plus 4830. So how much you are getting? 6871 and then minus 3a. This is fx. Now apply the formula. X bar is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. What is x bar? X bar is 67.45 equal to 6871 minus 3a divided by 100. So let us calculate 6745 minus 6871 is equal to minus 3a. So how much you are getting? 126 divided by 3. A is equal to 42. If A is 42, what will be the other value? 69 minus 42. That is 27. So one value is 42, other value is 27. So Om Gupta has given, Bhumika Saini has also given the answer. Okay. So let us rediscuss this complete question. So first step आपका क्या है? You have to calculate the mid value. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Then frequency is given. Now next step is जो दोनों फिगर मिसिंग है उसको आपने अज्यूम किया. फर्स्ट फिगर इज ए. व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट फिगर? नेक्स्ट फिगर लाने के लिए 100 में से आपने सबको माइनस कर दिया बिकॉज टोटल इज 100. So one is A, other will become 69 minus A. Then next is Fx, F multiplied by X. 6871 minus 3A is the total. Now we are applying the normal formula for X bar, sigma Fx upon sigma F. And on simplification, we are getting the value of A. This is the first missing figure, and second missing figure will be 69 minus 42, that is 27. So it makes no difference what kind of class interval is given. Simply calculate the mid value and get the result. Class interval are of two types we have discussed in the previous session. One is inclusive and other one is exclusive. So you can have any class interval, the steps are same. So this is the final result. So 42 and 27. Now, there are some questions based on the properties of arithmetic mean. Now, first property says, if all observation assume my variable are constant, then arithmetic mean is also constant. Now, it means that if all the values are same, then arithmetic mean will be same. Let's say the first value is 10, second value is 10, third value is 10. Now, what will be the arithmetic mean? So, arithmetic mean will also be 10. अगर सारे observations same हैं, तो arithmetic mean भी वही रहेगा. This is the first property. Then second property says, sum of deviations taken from arithmetic mean is 0. This is very important property. बहुत जगह ये property आपकी काम आने वाली है. So let's take some example. 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 20. Now, if we calculate x bar, so x bar is 40 divided by 5, that is 8. Now we have to take deviation from arithmetic mean, x minus x bar. So 2 minus 8 minus 6, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, 8 minus 8, 0, 20 minus 8 is 12. Now, what will be the total? The total is 0. So, as per this property, sum of x minus x bar is equal to 0. Sigma x minus x bar is always equal to 0. Okay. So, if deviation is taken from arithmetic mean, then total is equal to 0. So, this is second property. So, you can mark this sigma x minus x bar is equal to 0. This is for individual series. And in case of discrete or continuous series, you can insert f in between. So, property is same. Sum of deviations is 0. So, sigma f x minus x bar is 0 in case of discrete and continuous series. All right. Then, one more property based on this. That property is sum of square of deviation taken from mean. This property is sum of square of deviation taken from arithmetic mean. So if you are doing square, so minus 6 square is 36, 16, 4, 0, and 144. What is the total? The total we are getting is how much? 20, and this is 36 and 144. It will give you 200. Now, if you take any other value and find out the deviation, let's say x minus any other value 2, and then find out the square. if you are taking x minus 2 and find the square. So 2 minus 2 and the square is 0. 4 minus 2 square is how much? 4. 6 minus 2 and then square, it will give you 16. Then 36. Then 20 minus 2, 18 square. 18 square is how much? 324. Now, you can calculate the total, what we are getting, 360 and 380. So, the property says sigma x minus x bar whole square and sigma x minus any other value square. So, this value is always greater and deviation from mean side will always be smaller. This is the property. So you can take any value except arithmetic mean. Take any value, the total will be more than 200. It will never be less than 200. मतलब आप x बार की जगह पे कुछ भी रख दे, रिजल्ट उसका 200 से ज्यादा ही आएगा. If you want to try, you can try with x minus 4, x minus 10 also you can try, x minus 20 you can try. कुछ भी आप assume करें, उसका रिजल्ट more than 200 ही आएगा. All will be greater than 200, greater than 200, greater than 200. Okay, so this is the property. So sigma x minus x bar whole square is always less than sigma x minus any other value square. Okay. Now the next one. What we have to do? Change of origin and change of scale. Change of origin and change of scale. Now, in this case, what we have to do, take any value, let's say 2, and add and subtract. We have to add and subtract in the series and check what is the effect. Let's say x is given 2, 4, and 6. Okay. And we have to calculate x bar first. So x bar will be 12 upon 3, that is 4. This is a question, x bar jiska 4 hai. Now this property says if we increase all the observations by 2, अगर आपने सारे observations को 2 से increase कर दिया तो क्या effect होगा? x plus 2 क्या है? So 2 plus 2 is 4, then 6, and then 8. Now, if you find that total is 18. And what about x bar? X bar will be 6. So if all observations are increased by 2, arithmetic mean will also get increased by 2. This is known as change of origin. Let's write here, change of origin. तो चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन का मतलब हुआ एक सीरीज में आपने कोई भी नंबर ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है, दैट इज नोन एज चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन. तो हमने जैसे यहां सीरीज को +2 किया, इट कैन बी एनी नंबर, +5, +10, -5, -10, -100, एनी नंबर. दिस इज नोन एज चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन. तो जैसे ही हमने +2 किया, अरिथमेटिक मीन के अंदर भी क्या हो जाएगा? +2 हो जाएगा. Similarly, if you are doing -2, subtracting 2, so series becomes 0, 2, and 4. Total is 6, and x bar will be 2. So if all observations are reduced by 2, arithmetic mean also gets reduced by 2. Arithmetic mean भी 2 से reduce हो गया. Similarly, if you see change of scale, change of scale means multiply or divide. अब आपने पूरी सीरीज को एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया है या फिर डिवाइड किया है. So let's take x multiply by 2. Series will become 4, 8, and 12. Total is 24. So x bar will be 24 by 3, that is 8. and x divided by 2. So 2 by 2 is 1, 4 by 2 is 2, 6 by 2 is 3. So what is the result? 2. So if you are multiplying by 2, arithmetic mean will get multiplied by 2. And if you are dividing by 2, arithmetic mean will get divided by 2. So in short, you don't have to solve the question completely. हमें पूरा question solve करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Directly आप आंसर कर सकते हो. So let's say question is giving there are 10 observations and arithmetic mean of 10 observations is 70. Now, the question says if all observations are increased by 5, all observations are increased by 5, then what will be new arithmetic mean? So new arithmetic mean kya hoga? So new arithmetic mean will also increase by 5. So your answer will be 75. Your answer will be 75. In case observations are decreased by 10, so if there is minus 10, then new arithmetic mean will also decrease by 10. So 70 minus 10 will give you 60. So you have to apply this concept directly. No need to solve with complete calculus. All right. Same is for multiply and divide. If all observations are doubled, then arithmetic mean will also get doubled. अगर सारे ऑब्जर्वेशन डबल हो गए तो अर्थमेटिक मीन भी डबल हो जाएगा. इफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर हाफ, मतलब सारे ऑब्जर्वेशन को हमने 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया, अर्थमेटिक मीन भी 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ऑलराइट, so this is the property of change in origin and scale. So I think clear till here, everybody. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is combined arithmetic mean. Now, what this concept says, combined arithmetic mean. Or you can also write grouped arithmetic mean, or you can also write pooled arithmetic mean. Combined, grouped, or pooled arithmetic mean. Now, there will be two groups, group 1 and group 2. Now, in these groups, there will be number of observations, N1 and N2. Arithmetic mean will also be given x bar 1 and x bar 2. तो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास अवेलेबल रहेगी N1, N2, x bar 1, x bar 2. इस पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन को कंबाइन करके आपको एक सिंगल एवरेज फिगर कैलकुलेट करना है. सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट x bar 1, 2. 1, 2 मींस कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ग्रुप, दोनों को कंबाइन करके अरिथमेटिक मीन कैलकुलेट करना है. सो व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला? N1 x bar 1 plus N2 x bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. So this is the formula. Now, how to solve this? Let's take some figures. N1 is 60 and x bar 1 is 100. N2 is 40, x bar 2 is 200. These are the given figures. Now, let's apply this. So 60 into 100 plus 40 into 200 divided by 60 plus 40. Let's simplify. 6,000 plus 8,000 upon 100. So 14,000 divided by 100. How much we are getting? 140. So this 140 is combined arithmetic mean. Okay, this is combined arithmetic mean. So Riddhi Sharma says clear, Bhumika says all concepts are clear, Vidisha says crystal clear. Great. So this is the formula for combined arithmetic mean. Now I am giving you one question. You have to solve and let me know the answer. N1 is 20, N2 is 30, X bar 1 40, X bar 2 is 50. Find X bar 1 2. Find X bar 1 2. Now let me know the answer. Ashish has given 46, Vedai 46, Prem 46. Swati has given 30, but 30 is incorrect. Om 46, Venkat Lakshmi 46, Naveen 46. Yes. All those who have given 46 is correct. So 20 multiplied by 40 plus 30 multiplied by 50 divided by 20 plus 30. So 800 plus 1500 divided by 50. This is X bar 1 2. Yes, now most of you have given the answer correct. That's awesome. Pratyush, Shakshi, Chavi, Vedasni, Ruhani, Anand, Amar, Navya, Jignesh, Harshita, Rakhi, Rishikesh, Sadab, Om, Ruhani, Mrinalika, Naveen, Bhumika, Vidisha. Great. Now everyone is correct. Perfect. That's great. Okay. So now this you have done. Let's take some questions based on arithmetic mean from the exercise. Yes, this question number 11. Page number is 14.27 and this is question number 11. So this type of questions are very much important for your exam point of view. And most of the cases में देखा गया है combined arithmetic mean का question almost exam में आता है. Almost exam में आता ही रहता है. So it is very much important. So average salary of a group of unskilled workers is 10,000. Unskilled workers का average salary जो given है that is 10,000 and skilled workers का average 15,000 है. That means there are two groups. First group को हमने बना दिया है unskilled. Unskilled का average X bar 1 is 10,000. Second group is skilled. X bar 2 it is 15,000. Then combined salary is 12,000. It means X bar 1 2. So X bar 1 2 is given 12,000. Now what is the requirement of question? So what is the percentage of skilled workers? कितने skilled workers है हमारे पास in terms of percentage? ये आपको calculate करना है. So N1 and N2 these are not available. You have to find this out. Okay, no problem. You can easily calculate, apply the same formula, no change. In place of X bar 1 2 क्या रखेंगे 12,000. Then N1 into 10,000 plus N2 multiplied by 15,000 divided by N1 plus N2. Now three zeros are common, you can see. To cancel the three zeros, 3 from here, 3 from here, 3 from here. So three zeros common aake cancel. Now you can do some simplification. 12 N1 plus 12 N2. is equal to 10n1 plus 15n2. Now bring n1 on one side, n2 on other side. दोनों को अलग अलग साइड में रख दे. So 12 minus 10 will give you 2n1 and 15 minus 12 will give you 3n2. Now we can calculate a ratio. n1 divided by n2 equals to 3 by 2. The ratio is 3 by 2. That means you can write n1 ratio n2 is 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Now you have to convert this into percentage. Now, what is the requirement? We have to calculate skilled workers, that is n2. So 2 divided by total is 5 multiplied by 100. It gives you 40%. And if you want to calculate unskilled workers, it is 3 by 5 into 100. It will give you 60%. So 60% are unskilled and 40% are skilled. Okay. So in this way, you can calculate your answers. So option number A is correct. Then let's take a break, and after the break, we will start with the next topic, that is median. So let's have a break of 5 minutes. Is the next topic. So, what is the meaning of the term median and partition values? So, median is basically based on position. ये position पे depend करता है. जैसे there are, let's say, three persons sitting. Now, who is the middlemost person? This one. This is the middlemost person. Let's say A, B, and C. So B is the median. B is the middlemost observation. So B is the median. The two more persons are there. Now what is the median? Now C will become the median because C is the middlemost observation. Now, whether you count from A or whether you count from E, median will always remain same. Median हमेशा same रहेगा, चाहे आप किसी भी end से उसको count करें, it will remain same. तो median का मतलब क्या है? It is the middlemost value of an arranged series. एक arranged series का middlemost observation उसको हम median कहते हैं. Okay? Now, let's take few examples. 10, 20, 16, 5, 18. This is given. Now, always there is first step to arrange the series. The first step is to arrange the series. And second step is to find out the rank of median. मीडियन का रैंक आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. कैसे रैंक कैलकुलेट करेंगे? n+1 divided by 2. n+1 divided by 2. So let's do this. Arrangement. You can arrange as per ascending order or as per descending order. No problem. So let us arrange in ascending order. What is the smallest value? 5, then 10, 16, 18, 20. This is the first step. We have done the arrangement. Now, rank. Rank is 5 plus 1 divided by 2. It will give you third rank. So 3 is not the median. 3 is the position of the median. 3 denotes position. This is position of median. Now, count first, second, and third. So 16 is the third observation. So median is equal to 16. So 16 is the answer. Shreya has given correct 16. All right. So median is equal to 16. Now I am giving you one question. You have to do by yourself and let me know the answer. 75, 88, 69, 44, 72, 99, 34. This is the series and you have to find out the median. Yes, come on everyone. So first step is to arrange. Arrange the series. How you will arrange? Smallest to highest, 34, then it is 44, 69, 72, 75, 88, and 99. Okay, this is the arrangement. Now, second is to find out the rank of median. So how many observations are there? 7 observations. So 7 plus 1 divided by 2. It will give you fourth rank. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. 72 is having the fourth rank. So median is equal to 72. So in this way, you can easily get the answer. Yes, most of you have given the answer correct, 72. बट किसी किसी का आंसर 44 है, तो 44 क्यों आ रहा है? बिकॉज किसी ने अरेंज नहीं किया. अगर आप अरेंज नहीं करेंगे, यू विल गेट द रॉन्ग आंसर. सो ऑलवेज फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू अरेंज एंड देन फाइंड आउट द रैंक. ओके, तो देव हैज नॉट अरेंज. देव आपको पहले अरेंज करना है और उसके बाद मीडियन कैलकुलेट करें. ऑलराइट, यस. So now everyone is correct. Okay. Let's take one more. This time series is 10, 20, 25, 30, 40, and 60. Now this time, what will be the median? The series is already arranged this time. Series पहले से ही arranged है. There is no problem in that. So this is already the first step. Now, second step is to calculate the rank of median. So how many observations are there? 6 observations. So 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 6 plus 1 divided by 2 is giving you 3.5. Now this time rank is coming in decimal. Rank आपकी decimal में है. Then how to simplify? Very easy. 3.5. 3.5 जो number है, किन दोनों के बीच में आता है? Of course, between third and fourth rank. 3.5 comes between third and fourth. So what is the third value? 25. What is the fourth value? 30. Take simple average of these two. दोनों का क्या करना है? Simple average. दोनों को plus किया, divided by 2. That's it. So 27.5 is your median. This becomes your median. Okay. All right, guys. So median is 2727.5. Then, in case the series is discrete, then what you have to do? So let's write median in discrete series. Median in discrete series. So in case of discrete series, again, what is the first step? Arrange the series. Arrange the series in ascending order. Ascending is better. Then second step will be find CF. CF का मतलब है cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Then third step is to calculate the rank of median. Median का rank कैसा आएगा? Capital N plus 1 divided by 2. Capital N plus 1 divided by 2. Now let us solve question based on this. X is given 5,000, 3,000, 6,000, 1,000 and 2,000. Frequency 10, 23, 18, then 17, 22. This is the frequency given. Now, according to the format, what is the first step? First step is to arrange the series. So arrange according to X. X की सबसे smallest value. It is 1,000. It is 1,000. So take 1000. What is the respective frequency of 1000? It is 70. Next value is 2000. Frequency is 22. Then 3000. Frequency is 23. Next is 5000, 10, 6000. It is 18. This is the first step. Now, second step is find CF, cumulative frequency. इसका मतलब है हर स्टेप पे फ्रीक्वेंसी को ऐड करना है. So in case of first step, frequency is 17. Now 17 plus 22, it becomes 39. 39 plus 23, it becomes 62. 62 plus 10, 72 plus 18, it gives you 90. So second step is done. Cumulative frequency we have calculated. Now next step is to calculate the rank. Third step is calculate the rank. Rank is n plus 1. Now what is capital N? Capital N means total of frequency. Frequency ka total. So 90 plus 1 divided by 2. 45.5. 45.5. Now you have to check 45.5 कौन से क्लास में आ रहा है. So first is only up to 17 ranks. Only 17 ranks cover हो रही है. सेकंड में ओनली अप टू 39 रैंक्स कवर हो रही है. बट हमारी वैल्यू कितनी है 45.5. तो इट विल बी कवर्ड इन 62 बिकॉज यहां पर कौन सी वैल्यूज है 39 से तो ग्रेटर बट अप टू 62. तो इसके सामने वाला जो आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन है दैट इज 3000. तो मीडियन विल बी 3000. तो ऑलवेज फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू अरेंज द सीरीज. Second step is find cumulative frequency, and then the third step is find out the rank and check in CF. You will get your answer. Okay. All right, guys. So this we have done in discrete series. Now, if the series is continuous, then what you have to do? In case of continuous series, again there will be a few steps. So let's write continuous series. The first step is always check whether series is exclusive or not. Series exclusive honi chahiye. Second is arrangement. It should be arranged. Third step, if it is arranged, then find cumulative frequency. Then fourth step is to calculate the rank. Now, always in case of continuous series, rank of median will be n upon 2. Do not add 1. It should be n upon 2. 1 आपको plus नहीं करना है. Simply n by 2. And last step is the formula for median. What is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus c upon f into I. So what is the meaning of L? L is lower limit of median class into L. L का मतलब हो गया lower limit. C is the cumulative frequency of preceding median class interval. Median class interval से पहले वाली cumulative frequency. F is the frequency of median class interval. I का मतलब हो गया class interval or class length or you can say class size. So in this way you can solve median. Now let us take one example. Class interval is given from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and then 40 to 50. Frequency is given. So let's take 10, 20, 50, 40, and then 30. So frequency is also given. Now check the first step. Series must be exclusive. Yes, it is exclusive. Second one is arrange the series. So series is already arranged in ascending order. So this is also done. Next step is find CF, cumulative frequency. 10 plus 20 gives 30, plus 50 is 80, plus 40, 120, plus 30 gives you 150. So this is the total of frequency. यही आपका frequency का total है. So third step is done. Now fourth step, rank. Rank of median. Rank कैसे निकालेंगे? n upon 2. So 150 upon 2. It will give you 75. 45. So sorry, 75. Now 75 कौन से इंटरवल में आएगा? 10 में नहीं आ सकता, 30 में नहीं, 80. It will be covered in 80. तो इस इंटरवल में आएगा. So 20 to 30 is known as median class interval. So median class interval will be 20 to 30. Now, according to formula, what is the requirement? Lower limit. So here you can see that lower limit is 20. 50 becomes the frequency. And इस interval के ऊपर वाला CF, this is known as C. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? C. And what is I? Gap of 20 and 30. कितना gap है दोनों में? 10 का. So I will be 10. Now apply the formula. Median is equal to lower limit is 20 plus n by 2, 75 minus c upon f is 50 multiplied by 10. So don't forget to multiply with I. Let's simplify. 20 plus 450 divided by 50. Your final answer. How much? 29. Yes, 29 is correct. Om Gupta has given the answer. Shreya, Prem, Priyadarshini, and Hashita. Yes, everyone is correct. The final answer in this case is 29. So in case of median, there is no need to calculate the mid value. So mid value is not required. It was required in arithmetic mean, but not for median. Okay. So this finally we have done. Now, in case of sixth illustration, I will give you a hint. Rest you can do it yourself. Now, the question was having inclusive series. Inclusive series है तो पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? Convert, and then you have to simplify in the normal way. So here, compute median from 14.1.3. So वहां से आपको टेबल लेनी है and simplify करना है. So this is your CF, cumulative frequency. तो सीरीज को अरेंज किया, CF कैलकुलेट किया. Next step is to find out the rank. Rank is how much? 308 by 2, 154. 154 कहाँ कवर होगा? इस 201 में. And if you see the question, वहां पे आपको class interval given रहेगा. That is from 400 9.5 to 429.5. Let me show you the question. Fifth one. Sorry, third one. Yes. So this was the series and actual जो class interval है आपका 410 to 429. 410 to 429. And then 432, 459. So this kind of situation is there. So इस टाइप के केस में जो आपका लोअर लिमिट है, लोअर लिमिट आपको 410 नहीं लेना है. 410 में से क्या करेंगे? 0.5 लेस करना है, as we have done in the first chapter, conversion of series from inclusive to exclusive. तो जब भी हम इंक्लूसिव को एक्सक्लूसिव बनाते हैं तो लोअर क्लास लिमिट में सब्ट्रैक्ट 0.5 एंड अपर क्लास लिमिट में एडिशन होता है 0.5. ओके, सो 410 माइनस 0.5 विल बिकम योर एल. तो आपका एल बन जाएगा कितना? 409.5 प्लस. नाउ यू कैन अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला एंड गेट योर आंसर. Now, example number 7. In this example, median is already given in the question. And you have to find out the missing frequency. So, median marks is 23. So, 23 है तो कौन से interval में lie करेगा? Of course, 20 to 30. So, median 23 will lie in the class interval 20 to 30 because the number is 23. So, let's calculate class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Then 5, 8, then let us assume x, 6, and then 3. Now, formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus C upon F into I. Now, we know that median class interval is 20 to 30. So, what is the lower limit? Lower limit is 20. N by 2. Now, n by 2, we don't know at present because n is missing. What about C? C कितना होगा? C के लिए आपको कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा. Find out the CF. So 5 plus 13, then 13 plus x, 19 plus x, and 22 plus x. So total of frequency is 22 plus x. So in place of n by 2, you can write 22 plus x divided by 2. Minus C. What is C? It will be 13 upon F. F is missing, so we can write x multiply by I. I is 10 is equal to 23. Now you can simplify this and get the result. So 20 will go on other side. It will become 3 equal to 22 plus x minus 26 divided by 2x into 10. So it will get cancelled. So 3x is equal to how much we are getting? X minus 4 multiplied by 5. Now simplify. 3x equal to 5x minus 20. So 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. So therefore, value of x is equal to, so it is 20. X is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 20, value of x will be 10. So in this way, you can calculate the missing figure. All right. I think it's easy. Nishi girl said this concept was in class 11. Yes, the same concept we are doing here. Then the property number 1, if x and y are two variables related by y is equal to a plus bx, where a and b are the constant, then the median of y can be computed. Now, what this property is saying, it says if, let's say, there is one equation, x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now, question says median of y is 5. Find out median of x. x का median calculate करना है. तो फिर आप क्या करेंगे? Simply substitute the value and get the result. x plus, put the value of y, that is 5 equal to 10. So you will get x equal to 0. So your answer is 0. तो अगर x का मीडियन पता है, x की वैल्यू पुट कर दे तो y का निकल जाएगा. y गिवन है, y सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो x का वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. So you can easily calculate in this manner. So this is the first property. Second property is, for that we have to take one example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 20. This is an arranged series and you have to find out the median. So 5 observations are there. So rank will be 5 plus 1 upon 2. Third rank. So third rank is 6. So median is equal to 6. Now, if you take the deviation from median, x minus median, but you have to use the modulus sign. These two, this is completely known as modulus. Modulus का मतलब है you don't have to put negative sign here. आपको negative sign नहीं रखना है, सिर्फ number place करना है. Like mod of 2 minus 6 will give you 4. Mod of 4 minus 6 gives 2. You don't have to write negative sign. So 6 minus 6 gives 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 20 minus 6 is 14. So what is the total now? Check the total, it is 22. Now, if you take deviation from any other number, let's take 2, you can take 4, any number, the total will be always more than 22. उसका total 22 से ज़्यादा ही आएगा. तो property क्या कहती है? Sigma mod x minus median is the lowest value. इससे कम वैल्यू आ ही नहीं सकती. तो अगर आपने 2 लेके ट्राई किया है तो 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 2 gives 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, and 20 minus 2 is 18. Now check the total, you are getting 30. तब कुछ भी रख दें, कोई भी वैल्यू रखें, it will be more than 22. Therefore, sigma x minus m modulus is always the lowest value. This is property number 2. So the property says the sum of absolute deviation, absolute means modulus, is minimum when deviations are taken from median. So median से जब भी deviation लेंगे वो minimum रहेगा. Now let's do some more practice question. Let's say there is one value x, other is x by 2, x by 4 and x by 3. Median is 10. Find out the value of x. 4 observations are given. Median is 10 and you have to calculate the value of x. Now, how can we calculate the value of x? So apply the steps. First step is arrange the series. Arrange the series, which is the smallest value. X by 4, then x by 3, x by 2, and at last x. Second one is to find out the rank of median. So what is the rank of median? Rank will be n plus 1 upon 2. N is 4, 4 plus 1 upon 2, that is 2.5. Rank is 2.5. That means it will lie between second and third. Second and third. Now, which is the second rank? X by 3. Third rank, x by 2. So, median will lie between these two. So, we can write x by 3 plus x by 2 divided by 2 because we have to take simple average. So, जब भी rank decimal में है, you have to take the simple average of number and this is equal to the median, which is 10. Now, next step is take the LCM. LCM is 6. So 2x plus 3x equal to 20. 5x equal to 120. X will give you 24. So therefore, value of x is 24. Gautam has given the answer 24. It's correct. Some of you have given the answer 12. 12 आंसर सिर्फ उसी के आएगा जिसने डिवाइड बाय 2 नहीं किया है, जिसने एवरेज नहीं लिया है. So do not forget this 2. This 2 is very much important. The correct answer will be 24. Okay. Yes, everyone has given answer now. 24. Then after median, the next point is quartiles. Now, what is quartile? Quartile divides an arranged series in 4 equal parts. तो क्वार्टाइल का काम है एक अरेंज सीरीज को 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. इफ दिस इज द सीरीज तो इसके 4 पार्ट्स कर दिए. तो अगर हमें 4 पार्ट्स करने हैं तो कितने क्वार्टाइल्स रिक्वायर्ड होंगे? सो ओनली 3 क्वार्टाइल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. Q1, Q2, Q3. 3 क्वार्टाइल्स हैं, इसका मतलब देयर आर 4 पार्ट्स. तो क्वार्टाइल डिवाइड्स एन अरेंज्ड सीरीज इनटू 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. If total is 100%, let's say, तो हर पोर्शन में कितना पार्ट आएगा? 25%, because all portion is equal. So each and every portion carries 25%. Or you can say if there are n number of observation, then each part carries n by 4. Each part carries n by 4th share. Okay, n by 4th share. Now, this is the basic concept. क्वार्टाइल का मतलब है एक अरेंज्ड सीरीज को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. हर पार्ट 25% होगा या n/4 होगा. सो अगर कभी आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ ले Q1 से पहले कितने ऑब्जर्वेशंस है, तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? 25%. अगर क्वेश्चन ने पूछा Q3 से पहले कितने ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं, तो Q3 से पहले अगर आप काउंट करेंगे इट इज 75%. तो 75 ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर लाइंग बिफोर Q3. ओके. Now, how to solve quartiles? तो steps are just same as median. मीडियन वाले ही स्टेप है, ओनली चेंज कहां पे होगा, रैंक में. रेस्ट ऑल इज सेम. So if you have to find quartiles in individual series, अगर आपको इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में क्वार्टाइल कैलकुलेट करना है, then what is the first step? First step is to arrange the series. Arrange the series. Second step is to find out the rank of quartile. Now, how to calculate first quartile? It is n plus 1 divided by 4. Why divided by 4? Because there are 4 parts. If you want to calculate Q2, rank of second quartile, just multiply by 2. 2 into n plus 1 upon 4. If we have to calculate Q3, then 3 into n plus 1 by 4. So Q1, Q2, Q3, in this way, you can easily calculate. All right. So let's have some series. 10, 16, 24, 30, 42, 60, then 80. This is the given series. Now check whether the series is arranged or not. Yes, it is already arranged. The first step is done. Now second step is rank of Q1. So how much are the observations? 7. 7 plus 1 by 4. Second rank. Now in second place, it is 16. So Q1 is equal to 16. Similarly, rank of second quartile, Q2. It is 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1 by 4. It will give you fourth rank. Now, which is the fourth observation? 30. So Q2 is equal to 30. Q2 is equal to 30. Then rank of third quartile. It will be 3 into 7 plus 1 by 4, that is sixth rank, and sixth place pay, that is 60. So Q3 is equal to 60. Okay. So 16, 30, and 60. This is the correct answer. All right. Understood, guys? तो क्वार्टाइल को हम इस तरह से इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Now, if we add one more value to this, let's take one more value, that is 100. Then in such a case, how can we calculate Q1? Is there any difference? So let's recalculate all these with this question. So this time, how many observations are there? 8 observations are there. So rank of Q1. Rank of Q1 will be 8 plus 1 by 4, 2.25. So this time rank is in decimal, 2.25. So it is not exact, it is not perfect rank. Now, how to calculate 2.25? So let's do this. Q1 is equal to, now we have to split this, second plus 0.25 multiplied by third minus second. Now 2.25 कहाँ आता है? It lies between second rank and third rank. ये second और third rank के बीच में कहीं पे आता है. तो आपने क्या लिखा? पहले second rank plus 0.25 multiplied by difference of third and second. Now what is the second value? 16 plus 0.25, then 24 minus 16. So let's check what is the result. 18. So Q1 is equal to 18. So in this way you can calculate. Now let's say you have to calculate Q2. So rank of Q2 is 2 into 8 plus 1 by 4. That is 4.5. Now when 0.5 is there, you can calculate in short way also. You can calculate in any manner. If you follow the same pattern, 4th plus 0.5, then 5th rank minus 4th rank. So which is the fourth observation? 30 plus 0.5, then 42 minus 30. So how much you are getting? 36. So Q2 is equal to 36. So in case of 0.5, you can also calculate directly. 30 plus 42 divided by 2, you will get 36. But this is only applicable when rank is having 0.5, not any other value. Now, let me know Q3. What is the value of Q3? You have to calculate and let me know. Om Gupta says crystal clear. Ruhani says absolutely clear. Raki says understood. Rithi, crystal clear. Great. So I think everyone is done till here. Q3. Shreya is giving 75. Om Gupta 95. Swati 80. Gautam 75. So there are three different answers. Let's check. First of all, rank. So 3 multiplied by 8 plus 1 by 4. So rank is 6.75. Now split 6 plus 0.75, then 7 minus 6. Now what is the sixth value? Sixth value is 60 plus 0.75, then 80 minus 60. So 60 plus 15. Final answer is 75. So 75 is the correct answer. Yes, most of you have given 75. Yes. So Mrinalika has given Ritu, Mansi Mahi, Dev Kumar, Swati, Vani, Bhumika, Vidisha, Mohammed Shoaib, then Varun, Shreya, Ruhani, Gautam. Yes, everyone is correct. 75 is the perfect answer. So in this way, you can calculate quartile in individual series. Similarly, if the series is discrete or continuous, apply the same steps of median. Only rank will change. So discrete series. The first step is arrange the series. Second step is to find CF, cumulative frequency. Third step is to calculate the rank. Now, in most of the cases, question will ask that find two quartiles. Now, there might be some confusion to some students. Now, what does this two quartile mean? Two quartile का मतलब क्या है? because quartiles तो 3 होते हैं, Q1, Q2 and Q3, but second quartile is known as median. Why so? Second quartile की अगर आप rank check करेंगे, it will become n plus 1 by 2 on cancellation. So it is same as median. So Q2 कहें या median, both are same. So therefore, जहां पर भी लिखा है find the two quartiles, it simply means Q1 and Q3. So rank of Q1 कैसे आ जाएगा? Capital N plus 1 upon 4. And third quartile का rank कैसे आएगा? 3 into N plus 1 by 4. So in this way, you can calculate the rank. Okay? Rank हम इस तरह से calculate कर सकते हैं. Jan is asking the weightage of this chapter C. Overall, if you see measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, and statistical description of data, these jointly have weightage of 18 to 20 marks. Now you can see how important are these chapters. So on an average, you can see 6 to 7 marks per chapter of these three: central tendency, dispersion, and SDD, each carrying approx 6 to 7 marks. Okay. And let's write continuous also for continuous series. How to calculate quartile? So first step is check whether the series is exclusive or not. So series must be exclusive. Second step is arrange the series, arrange in ascending order. Then third one is find cumulative frequency, find CF. Fourth step is to calculate rank. For Q1, it will be N upon 4. Plus 1 is not required. And rank of Q3 to 3N by 4. Okay, N by 4 and 3N by 4. This is the rank. But there is one more step, that is to find out the quartile Q1. Q1 will be L plus N by 4 minus C upon F into I. So formula is again similar to median. Only in place of N by 2, just write N by 4. That is the rank of Q1. Just you have to change this rank. Rest everything is same in the formula. Similarly, for Q3, what you have to do? L plus 3N by 4 minus C upon F into I. So just change the rank and this becomes your formula. So in this way, you can calculate quartile. Then Ms. Dharani Manopati is asking when the syllabus will be completed. It will be completed around mid of September. Okay, so in September, you can easily complete your course here and then you can revise. So you will get very good time for revision, October, November, and then most part of December. Almost 3 months will be there for you to revise. Right? So this is quartile. So in today's class, basically we have covered arithmetic mean. Then we have covered median. And at last, we have covered quartiles. So these were the main 3 topics which we have covered today. Then in next class, we will be doing some more questions on quartiles. Then partition values will be there, or you can see the positional value. This we will be covering in the next class. Then there will be mode, harmonic mean, geometric mean. So all these topics will be remaining for our next class. So next class is on Saturday, that is day after tomorrow. So till then, you can revise till here, try all the questions from your back part, set A, set B. You can try all these questions based on the topics which we have covered today. Okay, I think you will be easily able to do all those questions. Okay, so I think that's all for the day, and let's meet again day after tomorrow. Till then, bye everyone, take care and see you soon.